PTC Mathcad Prime 11 now includes a manual calculation mode. Using PTC Mathcad Prime 10 and earlier, the Mathcad Prime worksheet can have auto calculation turned on or off. When on, whenever you change any math, the worksheet automatically recalculates and displays updated values based on the change you made. When off, no calculation can occur. In PTC Mathcad Prime 11, when auto calculation is turned off, the worksheet will now be in manual calculation mode. In manual calculation mode, if you make any changes to math regions, those math regions and math regions that depend on those math regions will be grayed out as out of date, like with auto calculation off in previous versions. Unlike previous versions of Mathcad Prime, in Prime 11 you can now choose when to recalculate in this mode. You can use the existing calculate worksheet method, which recalculates every region in the worksheet no matter if it's out of date. Or you can use the new calculate now method, which will recalculate out-of-date regions only up to the page being viewed. You can now choose to calculate now on a later page, updating the out-of-date regions up to that page, or make more changes before again manually recalculating. With the new manual calculation mode and addition of calculate now, you will have more control over when you choose to calculate your worksheet.